Medina.
Saka magaling dumepensa to. One of the better defensive players in season 98 sa juniors. Nagkaroon na rin ng konting laman. Kasi payat na payat to eh. During his, mas payat pa kaysa dyan. When he was still playing for the Arellano Braves.
That's right. Patpatin pa ito nung nasa Arellano, but a very good prospect. Oh, that's great defense by the Altas to begin the game. They're gonna stop right away. The Perpetual Altas, again, losing pretty much everybody from last year, including their core. Cyrus Nitura, Mark Denver Omega, Jero Razon, Peter Panbaruma,
Elevator screen.
Jun Roque, and Chris Pagaran. Knocks down the opening three.
First play, elbow execution. Pagaran speed cutting on the on the middle, and then elevator screen opening up a shot for him. A lot of actions happening to set up Chris Pagaran for that three.
Pagaran averaged a little over 13 points a game. That's number 9 in the league in season 99. Joshua Guiab forcing it inside, and that's his game, Coach Hammer.
Yeah, mamaan sa ilalim, porsyentuhan itong si Joshua Guiab. Wow. And ito ang ganda, coming off that speed cut, dribble to the middle, alam nila closing that elevator screen. Ang daming actions na nangyari, nakadalawang elbow entry sila sa big guys nila before the speed cut sa gitna. Sean Orr just setting up that pass and Coho Cruz executing. Pagaran, alam mo, darating dun sa kanya yung bola.
And I think that's when Chris is actually at his best. He can create his own shot, pero yung mga off the screen, off the ball movement, dun siya nakakakuha at dun siya mas accurate sa kanyang mga tira.
At saka mas madali for him. It increases his efficiency kaysa taktak ng bola. Talking about Chris Pagaran, but Joshua Guiab, steady as always, getting 2 out of 2 off his free throws. Yeah.
So 2 out of 2 for Joshua Guiab. Chris Pagaran attacks. Oh! Nadaplisan ni Ivan Panapanaan.
Talagang pinupuntahan nila yung ace na yun ilang beses na throughout their offensive touches, yun yung initiation nila.
Pero doon, nakita mo yung impact ng length nito ni Panapanaan. Offensive foul on the other side on Patrick Ramos.
A little bit too aggressive, setting that screen.
What can you say about that block by Panapanaan? That's just a glimpse of what he can do defensively, right?
We have seen him play really well defensively as a help side defender. Ang tanong ngayon is, can he take contact pag siya yun na yung ina-atake?
Coho Cruz using that new screen. They go on top again with Avis.
Zoom action.
This guy needs to step up this year. Avis too deep. Ball is loose. It is caught by Guiab. And here comes Patrick Ramos, the rookie out of USA. No, not a rookie, rather. Sophomore out of USA. There you go. Mart Barrera floats it up. Too much sauce. Coho Cruz. Oh, Sean Orgo beating everybody to the cup.
Yan ang puhunan dito ngayon ng Perpetual Altas. You know, Coach Doc Piovas is one of the best SNC coaches in the country right now. And alam mong kondisyon na kondisyon tong koponan na to. Especially going up and down. Getting defensive stops and scoring in transition.
Sabayan ko nasa dito ng JRU. Patrick Ramos. Oh, knocking it down from downtown.
Coming off that pin downs action. Pat Ramos knocking down the first three-pointer for JRU.
And that's what he can do. You know, he showed flashes of brilliance in season 99. Just didn't get the consistency
Malalim
na
yung
ginusto
rotation.
niya.
Malalim yung rotation nila in season 99.
Okay, now this gives us an opportunity to go courtside. This is her first report in season 100. Let's go to Kayla Afable. Kayla, go ahead.
Today's matchup is not only going to be about the men on the court, but also about the men on the sidelines. Sabi nga ni Altas head coach Olsen Yasela sa akin, every game is a new game for us. He knows that his team may not be the most experienced team due to the age of his players, and that 9 months may not be enough time just yet, but he is making sure to remain patient with them. Sa panig naman ng mga heavy bombers, kumpiyansa si Coach Louie sa kultura ng kanyang kupunan. Ika nga niya, ang swerte ay malapit sa masisipag. He wants to start on a high note today. Do you think they'll be able to, Martin and Coach Hammer?
Maraming salamat, Kayla. Well, that remains to be seen. Great job on the first report, by the way. Pag-usapan muna natin itong si Coach Louie Gonzalez. Ano naman lagi ang puhunan ng JRU?
Yeah.
Sipag.
Sipag, tapang, palakasan ng katawan. Tsaka magandang matchup to. Parehas sila ng pundasyon. Sipag tsaka tapang. So, antabayanin natin if 9 months is enough for Coach O. I think that they're only growing pains. But for the most part, knowing Coach O, he would be laying out the foundation in the blueprint of their system right away.
This is one of the biggest challenges I'm assuming that he's faced in his coaching career in college. March De Leon, pumasok kani-kanina lamang, pupuntos agad para sa JRU.
Medyo pumayat si March De Leon ngayon compared to the start of last season. Mas maganda yung tindig niya and mas malambot yung bitaw niya on that short jumper.
Kanina, Coach Hammer, pangalawang foul na ni Patrick Ramos, so they're forced to use Sean Argente right away. And speaking of Sean, he interferes the pass, and here he is on the move. De Leon! That's a foul underneath against the point guard, Sean Orgo.
At ito yung aasahan mo naman sa mga big guys ng JRU. They will set hard screens, they would rim run. And may touch na rin to si March De Leon kasi last year, pag pinasaan siya ng ganyan, ang una niyang gagawin, head down, sasaw-saw yung bola, hahanap ng babanggain. Ensuing play after making a jumper, they get a stop. Dun sa depensa ni Sean Argente on that switch. Si CLC Nunez nakasundot. De Leon nagkaroon ng switch, sprinting down on the lane. Nagkaroon ng mismatch or go on De Leon, so they were able to get 2 free throws out of that sequence.
Yeah, it was Argente rewarding his big man, De Leon, who was able to complete the rim run. Drops in the free throw, so 9-7 now. Ooh, nakatulog sa depensa ang JRU. But Avis couldn't finish. Argente, stop and pop. That one rims out. Nunez gets it. And here comes Orgo again. High-octane basketball we're seeing so far. Oh!
Sabi ko sa'yo
Nunez with a stop.
Sabi ko sa'yo, maraming galang yung maganda to si Jericho Nunez. Rewarding the big guy and the big guy getting a highlight on that transition dunk.
And we're tied for the third time here in the first frame. Let's go to this timeout.
Huwag kayong matakot tumanggap ng bola at trabahuhin natin ang biyaya. Yan muna mula sa panig ng Arellano Chiefs, Martin and Mark.
Maraming salamat, Lysel Galpo. Katulad nung second quarter natin. So let's see. Dapat dito umatake ang Arellano. Oh, Basti Valencia. What a fadeaway. Going downhill. That one rolls out. Arellano has a chance to inch. Balik sa ating laban, 9-all. To begin this game, Jericho Nunez, inulat ang lahat dito sa Philo Electrical Center. Flying in for this snap.
Ako hindi ako nagugulat dahil nakikita natin paano magpa-condition itong Perpetual Alphas over social media kasi si Coach Chong and the team really is adamant on being in the tip-top shape to start off the season, to finish off the season. And etong si Jericho Nunez, ang naging question sa kanya, medyo hindi ganun kabilis yung foot speed niya. Pero ngayon, nakita natin sa tindig pa lang at saka yung rim running ability, kung big man ka na 6'6", tapos nakakatakbo ka ng rim run, nakakaset ka ng screens, nakakuha ka ng rebound, nakaka-finish ka as a primary big, maganda ang kapupuntahan mo in the pros. And Coach Richard Del Rosario on the sidelines. That has been his game when he was still playing in college. And yung mga teams niya, laging may ganyan Diba? When he coached in the Pinios program, lagi silang may big guys na tumatakbo. And it helps, lalo na in your future career opportunities.
Oh yeah.
Basta marunong kang mag-seal, marunong kang screen. And the best free throw shooter. That's Coach Richard, binanggit na namin. Best free throw shooter.
For his former coach, also making his return here in the NCAA. Now as an assistant coach of Perpetual. Siyempre, matagal na magkasama yung dalawang yan.
Tsaka hindi naman kasi ang basketball, nire-reinforce mo lang yung basics Pag big guy ka na hindi sobrang skilled, hindi sobrang shooter, kailangan masipag ka. Malakas yung katawan mo screen tsaka rebound, masipag kang tumakbo. And nakita natin, mga big guys ng Perpetual and JRU, yun yung ginagawa. Pag ganyan ka na ganyan, lagi kang may trabaho.
Ito na JRU. Perpetual unable to capitalize on the other end. This is Marvin Raimundo. Another new face. Ito isa sa mga inaabangan sa JRU to. Benitez's pass is picked off by Abyss. Orgo will wait. He'll send it to the post.
Snap action. The stagger steam.
Pagaran. 2 dribbles in. Pagaran gets fouled. And he will take 2 in a bit.
So on that sequence, medyo nagmamadali pa nga si Chris Pagaran. Unahan niya yung gumalaw, yung stagger screen, papunta sa kanya, on top. Yung mga actions na ganyan, yan yung usong-usawa, lalo na pag merong corner pass or post pass. Yung magkakaroon ng screen from top of the key na big guy or opposite big guy for the shooter to dive and then stagger para dun sa atake. Yan yung mga actions ngayon na na-integrate for the past few seasons, past few seasons dahil na-develop na rin ang basketball sa atin. Sumusunod na tayo sa EuroLeague and the Denver Nuggets made it a lot popular and the Golden State Warriors. Yeah, pistol action. Dati pa naman ginagawa yan pero mas na-reinforce lang the past few years.
And I feel like, na-reinforce because also of the pace of basketball now. And the movement, the number of movement might be doubled or tripled from the other decades.
Kaya nga ngayon, kailangan sharp na sharp ka magbasa as a basketball player. Nakikita mo na agad na dun ka malilibre sa mga actions eh. Dahil tinatago mo lang yung mga ball screens and all that.
Lozano is open and Lozano knocks it down. That is Justin Lozano.
1994 kaya? Kasi 94 yung number, maganda malaman din natin. Bakit 94 yung number niya? Another number na pang defensive end. Yung number na ganyan.
Ito naman, ang calling card ni John Abyss, kaya lang natawagan siya ng offensive foul. Let's check this one out. Justin Lozano, another first-year player who is looking to make a name for himself here in the NCAA. He's 19 years old.
Charge.
Kitang-kita yun. Nangyari sa harap ng referee natin.
Winalis ni Vince Sarmiento. Yung bantay. Si Vince Sarmiento. Nagpapayat. Pumayat ha? Nagpapayat si Sarmiento.
Oo nga.
Yung players ng JRU compared to last season, mas manipis sila ngayon. Hindi sila mas stocky kasi last year stocky sila lahat eh. And it bodes na mukhang tatakbo na.
This is Margojo Cruz forcing the issue and again is able to draw the foul, and Perpetual is capitalizing on this opportunity kasi kanina pa foul situation ng JRU.
Ano ba ang turbo sa 2K ngayon? R2, di ba?
Hindi ko na alam. Hindi na
ako nakakalaro eh. Si Marlon na yung naglalaro. Pero alam mo, Martin, I watched this the 5 games that we played, including this one and the one that I covered. Pinaka-importante sa NCAA, mabilis yung transition defense mo, tsaka marunong kang stop ball. Kasi pag mga paeng-are, ito, nakikita natin si Sean Orgo, ang ganda ng inilalaro. They would look to push the tempo. Every time mahawakan yung bola, aatakihin nila yung depensa. Kaya lang minsan nadidisgrasya, parang yung sa Arellano. Lamang na ng 4, inatake yung 4, 1-on-4. Doon natin makikita na there are a lot of things to be improved on. Dahil opening weekend pa lang naman tayo eh. But for the most part, mga Montesilio, aatakihin ka ng aatakihin yan.
Dangerous pass to Sarmiento.
Gusto nang itira, hindi pa nasasalo yung bola. Vince Sarmiento.
12 apiece here in the first frame. I like the composure and the maturity so far nito ni Sean Orgo because he's making good reads. Alam niya kung kailan niya papabilisin. Alam niya kung kailan niya kailangan maghintay ng mga kakampi. Sevilla sends it to the corner. Boral, who entered earlier. Sevilla from inside the arc, too strong. Boral, isa pa yan, calling card. JP Boral, offensive rebounding and a putback.
Since season 97, ng JP Boral, pro prospect ay 6'5 na wing na athletic. Tsaka matapang maglaro, madiin.
Boral fell down.
Yan yung aasahan mo dito sa Perpetual. Mahahaba na athletic. Na pag naglaro, buhos talaga.
Kita mo yan, what an athletic rebound by JP Boral.
Saka pagka medyo ganitong oras yung laro, alas 11, tapos antok-antok yung mga player mo, hindi ka bumabox out dito sa Perpetual.
Gulating ka niyan, ano?
At saka, kahit na nag-move on na sila Mark Dender Omega, etong si Jun Roque, Cyrus Litura, nasa iba-ibang mga eskwelahan na ngayon. Nakita mo may mga piyesa pa rin na ready maglaro para dito kay Coach O.
Kanina pumasok ito si Axel Manuel, number 33 for the Perpetual Altas. Kakaiba yung mga number nila dito. Pati si Emmanuel Pizarro, who is a backup big.
Okay yan. Okay yung Pizarro na yan. The whole off-season, he has been a stable rotation piece. Pagka nilalabas si Nunez, tapos pinasok siya, malalim yung rotation nila.
Justin Lozano with 4 minutes and 45 seconds mark in the first quarter was only a 2-point basket.
Okay, na-review yung 3-pointer ni Lozano. 2-pointer lang pala. 2-pointer.
Dos lang.
14, JRU 11.
Yung first basket ni Lozano dito sa NCAA. So, JP Boral at the free throw line. This is a guy who didn't get a lot of minutes.
Ang lalim kasi tsaka ang lakas kumuha ng minuto. Ito yung, ayan, nakaapak yung... ibabalik eh. Mag-step back pa siya dyan ng konti. Yung kaliwang paa, set up, ayun. Dulo lang. On size 11 and a half yan, 3 points. On size 13 eh. Tatanungin ko mamaya.
But 15-11 Perpetual is in front. It was actually their biggest lead here in the first frame. Pangilinan handles it. So, mostly new faces on the court for JRU with the exception of Joshua Diab. Diab, handoff. Pati pala si Jonathan Medina. Ay, hindi pa nagpaparamdam masyado sa ating laban. But they got a foul there.
Lagkit ng depensa. Lagkit ng depensa na Perpetual, pero madulas naman na si Jonathan Medina. Kasi sanay na rin to eh. Ito si Medina lumaki. Kasi ako, yun agad yung nakikita ko eh. As a strength coach, yun yung nakikita ko. Sino ba yung magagandang tindig? Sino yung nagpapayat? Kasi it directly reflects the way that they play.
Yeah.
So the moment na titignan mo tong, titignan mo yung stature ng Perpetual, alam mo na explosive athletes eh. Matatangkad na lanky. So, okay, kakarga to ng explosive athletes. Yung JRU, malalaki nun kasi pambaragan. Ngayon nagpapayat, magtatrap.
Yeah.
Ang hindi mo lang maipinta, yung binil kasi ang lalaki talaga eh. Ang lalaki ng binil eh.
Hindi mo ma-predict kung ano lalaroin. Pangilinan! Swishing the triple. Now that's a three-pointer for JRU, the lead.
Perpetual held Altas.
Well, it's down for Perpetual. Timeout on the floor.
Ano doon? Right of the jump ball.
King Gortiza off
Eto
the
na.
screen.
Iyo
He
naman.
knocks it down. Wasting no time to make his presence felt.
As expected para dito kay King Gortiza.
Ongotan. Pull-up jumper is off. Here comes Harvey Pagsanhan.
Ayun na naman si
What a
Gortiza on the
pass.
fast break.
Gortiza on the touchdown. EAC. Balik aksyon sa NCAA Season 100. And it's the new players showing out for Coach Louie Gonzalez. That time it was Pangilinan draining a three. We got the kids in attendance.
Yep.
Ito yung na-miss ko sa JRU. Dati pa yan. Di ba
yung mga
nagdadala ng grade school students?
Grade school, high school. Pero yung grade school kasi parang, eto nga eh, kasi 100 years na tayo and it has been the culture of the NCAA to see the young ones enjoy the games. Nakakatawa.
Yeah.
Ayun, may mga placard pa. Nakakatawa.
Love it. They're back. At sila yung pinakamalalakas ang hiyawan dito. Pati syempre, yung mga estudyante ng Perpetual nandito, traveling all the way from Las Piñas to catch the first game of their men's basketball team.
Eran
This is going to be a turnover. Yeah.
By
From Indigo Montemayor. So, JRU, the basket here. 2 2-pointer will tie the game. 3-pointer will allow them to take the lead. Joshua Guiab ang nagbababa ng bola. Medina on top here. Sarmiento. So the vets are on the floor for Coach Louie. Sarmiento will make his move. Natapigan. That's gonna be a foul on Pizarro.
Medyo mahirap yung mga looks dito na mga manlalaro ng JR. Yung mga ilang beses na rin natin nakita. Except for those long-range shots coming off transition. Sariling sikap kinakakayod talaga nila yung depensa. Medyo mahirap na mga looks. And we got so used to having JL De Los Santos, Ija Miranda, moving inside the system.
Oh yeah.
Kaya etong sila Vince Sarmiento, si Joshua Guiab can just set screens and maximize what they can really do. Ngayon, as they move along, umaangat na sila sa pecking order. Kailangan na rin nilang mag-create ng tira. That's the challenge for their... Dahil they need to, most of the time, dial their own number. Pagka mga ganyan, lalo na...
Call your own number.
Dial it and book it para sa'yo.
That's right.
Yan ang mahirap. Mahirap din yan dahil as you progress as a player, tinitignan kung paano mo na-develop yung skill set.
Ivan Panapanan is back on the court. Sarmiento goes to the bench. This is Pangilinan who nailed the three-pointer earlier. Misfires on the first free throw. And I think, you know, just from looking at the players on the court, taking a quick scan, Panapanan is the tallest player in JRU's lineup right now.
Listed at 6'3". 6'3".
Wow.
On a good day. On a good day, Pero tingnan mo yung scrappiness na ng JRU and Bombers. The way that they're moving. Alam, aatakin si Bural.
JP Bural taking it straight to the cup.
Out for a big season to si JP Bural. Silang dalawa ni Chris Pagana has been waiting for their reps.
6 na puntos na para kay Bural dito sa ating first quarter. Montanes being pressured by Manuel. Pass is picked off.
Nalunod, active hands by the Perpetual Altas. Kaya lang nakabawi dito.
Pinawe, Guiab underneath. Couple of fakes. As Joshua Guiab showing us the patience.
Steady lang sa ilalim. Dalawang shot fake. Pektos lang para pantapos. 4 points for Josh Guiab.
Manuel. A minute and 35 to go here in the first. Manuel thought about it. Instead, he will attack off the glass and in. And he erased the defense of Panapanan on his way.
Hinama. Konting diin lang. At saka yung mga bagong ang galawin, slowing down. Hindi ka naman dapat laging nakakita. So just getting yourself there, getting enough leverage to finish.
Watch out. Nakabuelo si Panapanan. Wow. Brilliant feed. And Joshua Guiab makes the basket and gets the foul and one.
Ganda ng hanap dito ni Panapanan. Dire-diretso, sasabay yung dalawa. Mukhang fried chicken yung breakfast. Napatalon. Finishing on the left hand.
That's high basketball IQ in transition for a rookie in Ivan Panapanan.
And he has been with JRU for, this is his second season as a student. His first year playing in the NCAA. And that helped a lot. That 1 year to grow under the tutelage of Double Cherry de la Cuesta, first coach Louie Gonzalez, na malalaman mo yung sistema and letting yourself go into your body. Kasi sobrang ang term nga ng mga bata ng patpatin di ba? Nung nasa Arellano. Nagkaroon ng laman, natural lang malakas yung katawan niya Hindi naman porket malaki ka, malakas ka. Ito kaya na yung tumanggap ng contact.
Nakita natin siyang huli NCAA season 98. This is the fourth deadlock so far off the first quarter, 20 apiece. Joshua Guiab is up to 7 points already.
Saka yung 2 points niya, basic lang, left hand, finish in traffic, take the contact, 30 as an underneath, finish it off the glass, get the free throw.
Sid Mosqueda.
Ito rin, matagal nagkantay ito. Tagal nagkantay ni Sydney.
Now he gets an opportunity here. Taken away. Good anticipation from Pizarro. Manuel lobs it up. Pace broken up. And is picked up by Manuel. And here comes JP Bural. Under a minute left here in the first frame.
Single high.
Bural. Bubuelo. Step back. Jumper. Off to the right.
Ay, sa'yo Sabi ko sa'yo yung Panapanaan
Ang haba ni
Saka
Panapanan.
pre, he has that knack. Alam mo silang dalawa ni PENL yung naalala ko na gano'n eh. Na hindi ganun kalakas, hindi ganun kalaki yung katawan, pero they have a certain knack for getting rebounds. Pag tumatalbog, alam nila, naaamoy nila yung bola, and they're quick enough to explode up and get the rebounds. Nakita mo yun, no? Nasa ilalim, just moving ever so slightly. If hindi ka malakas bumax out, kailangan ko yung pinakamabilis kumuha ng rebound.
This is a solid debut in the college game for Ivan Panapanan at nasa first quarter pa lang tayo. So, nakikita na natin to sa Arellano. Sabi natin may tools to para mag-collegiate at mag-pro dito sa Pilipinas kasi grabe yung wingspan.
At saka sa dami ng tinitira ni SJ Moore nun, siya yung nag-clean up eh. Di ba? Tsaka kahit transition, pagka nakakakuha siya, bust out na agad si Halalon at saka si SJ Moore.
Oo nga pala. Kampi pala na si SJ.
Kaya marami sila nakukuha ang fast break opportunities eh.
There's a 3-second difference between our clocks. They swing it around. Pagaran. Too strong. Manuel will try from the other side. That one rims out. 3 seconds to manufacture a shot. Tumingin pa si Medina. Oh! Denied by Pagaran at the horn.